Hello, my name's John and welcome to Cheap, Easy, and Tasty Meals. Today we're going to make a dessert. We're going to make low-carb lemon cookies. I'm making a small batch, but you should be able to double or triple the recipe if you need to. We're going to start by adding our almond flour and our confectioner sugar alternative. We're going to mix those together with some baking powder, just to make sure that the dry ingredients are mixed together. Then we'll add the beaten egg, the lemon juice, the melted butter, the vanilla, and the lemon zest, and mix them together well. The batter is not as thick as I would like, so I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of additional almond flour to thicken it up a bit. Notice that I'm only adding 1 tablespoon at a time, just to make sure that I'm not adding too much. Once the batter is mixed well, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about half an hour. It'll help it thicken and allow me to make better cookies. Now I'm going to scoop out about 6 tablespoon-sized dough balls onto parchment paper on a cookie sheet. I'm going to flatten the dough balls a little bit before I put them in the oven. The oven has been preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now bake the cookies for 18 to 20 minutes or until the cookies begin to brown. Let the cookies cool on the parchment paper, and once they finish cooling, move them to a drying rack. Prepare the icing by mixing the confectioner sugar alternative, lemon juice, and milk together and stir well until it becomes a smooth mixture. Dip the top and bottom of each cookie into the icing and put it back on the cooling rack to dry. Once they've dried, you may want to dip them again, and when you're completed, you may want to stick them in the refrigerator and let them dry further. Once the cookies icing has dried and is solid, they're ready to eat. You can double the lemon juice in this recipe. You will probably have to add some additional almond flour, but it might make the overall taste of the cookie more lemony. Try these. I hope you enjoy them.